not necessarily about the time it takes to make a recipe. It's having the patience to do some of the waiting that has to be done in order to have a better product. Anytime anyone thinks that something they made is original, they're wrong. One of my first assistants showed me how she had learned to make an apple pie at her cooking school. I put that early on the dessert menu at Spacca, and I know Wolfgang always loved it. So today I'm going to be making Mom's apple pie. I'm going to begin by peeling and slicing my apples and then sautéing them. So I'm using Pippin apples. It's a green apple. It is a tart apple, but still juicy, not too dry.